Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see the possible ways with the help of which you can fix the problem when Instagram doesn't let you follow anyone on this platform. So let's get started. The possible reason for this could be slow internet connectivity. If you have just created your account and started following hundreds and hundreds of people in one go, then Instagram would think you are a spammer. For this reason, it would block you and restrict you from doing certain activities. So check if your app is up to date or not. Go to Google Play Store, search Instagram and check if it is updated or not. If it is not, then click on the update option and your app will get updated within several seconds. The last thing that you could do is report your problem to Instagram. For that, click on the profile icon, go to menu bar, click on settings, go to help, click on report a problem once again. Here you can describe your problem. You can even take a screenshot of your problem by clicking on this option. If there is any problem from Instagram side, then it will reach out to you within next 48 hours. So till then, wait for that. So these were the methods with the help of which you can fix Instagram won't let you follow error on Instagram. If you have any query, you can ask that in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.